Global trade is influenced by a myriad of factors, including geopolitical relationships, technological advancements, and economic policies. As nations strive for competitive advantage, the interplay between tariffs and free trade agreements shapes the landscape of international commerce.
Recent advancements in neuroscience have illuminated the intricate connections between brain function and behavior. Understanding the neural mechanisms underlying decision-making and emotional regulation provides insights into mental health disorders and potential therapeutic intervention.
As artificial intelligence continues to permeate various aspects of life, ethical considerations become paramount. Issues surrounding data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for job displacement raise significant moral questions that society must address.
The concept of cultural imperialism highlights the dominance of one culture over others, often perpetuated through media and entertainment. This phenomenon can lead to the erosion of local cultures and identities, necessitating critical engagement with global media consumption.
Biodiversity is crucial for maintaining ecosystem resilience in the face of environmental changes. Diverse biological communities are better equipped to withstand disturbances, providing essential services such as pollination, water purification, and climate regulation.
Prolonged social isolation can have profound psychological effects, leading to increased anxiety, depression, and cognitive decline. Understanding the importance of social connections is vital for promoting mental health, especially in vulnerable populations.
Genetic engineering offers revolutionary possibilities in agriculture and medicine. However, ethical concerns about genetic modification and its long-term effects on ecosystems and human health necessitate careful scrutiny and regulation.
The intersection of science and philosophy raises profound questions about the nature of knowledge and existence. Philosophical inquiry into scientific paradigms challenges assumptions and encourages a deeper understanding of reality.
Urban green spaces play a critical role in enhancing the quality of life in densely populated areas. They provide environmental benefits, promote mental well-being, and foster community engagement, highlighting the need for sustainable urban planning.
Water scarcity poses significant challenges to global food security and public health. Effective water management strategies, including conservation and innovative technologies, are essential to address this pressing issue in a changing climate.
Intersectionality is a framework that examines how various forms of discrimination intersect and shape individual experiences. By understanding the complexities of identity, we can better address systemic inequalities in society.
Language is a dynamic entity that evolves over time, influenced by cultural exchange, technology, and social changes. Analyzing linguistic shifts provides valuable insights into human behavior and societal transformation. Are you struggling to get the required score in PTE after several repeated attempts? Don't worry, we are there to help you. Join Perfect Skills PTE for online coaching. Crack PTE in the first attempt with 79+. What are you waiting for? Call us or WhatsApp us now.